कंगना जी, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे यहाँ पे हम सभी रॉ मैंगो स्टोर के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट, आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं एंड व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग टुनाइट?
I'm expecting the world because I love raw mango. मैं बहुत excited हूँ कि ये लोग Delhi से now they've opened a branch here in Bombay also. It's so lovely because earlier one used to have to call the store in Delhi or send things and courier things back and forth, and it was much more difficult. And I think that this is going to make life a lot easier. Though of course it's in Kolaba, which is the other end of Bombay.
And different attire.
Distinctive style when it comes to fashion. You know, how much are you aware about the trends and do you follow anything particular?
No, I don't usually follow anything except for my own good sense. I don't really. I'm not terribly up to date on trends and things like that. I don't think it really matters. I love Sanjay's style. I love his aesthetic sense. It's rare to. I find it difficult to find things that I actually like, and I can always rely on his taste and his judgment, which is great.
Kongna, what's your favorite Indian fabric?
Malmal.
Kongna, you've been very vocal about a lot of issues and a lot of things. Ram Gopal Verma has tweeted something. I'm sure you would be aware.
I have
about
no
the
idea.
comment that
But
he has
कोंकणा
made.
जी, जब आप इस तरह की चीजें सुनती हैं, कोंकणा जी जब आप इस तरह की चीजें सुनती हैं कि वुमेन्स डे के दिन वो ऐसा ट्वीट करते हैं कि हर वुमेन को
Actually,
सम्मान दिया नहीं।
मैंने नहीं देखा है ये वाला tweet. I've just not
wearing this
seen it.
beautiful saree. If you need to have a modern twist to it, what would you do?
I feel it's already quite modern, but I don't think that there's anything ancient about a sari. And look at the blouse; it's so unique and different. I just want to say, since you asked me that question, that I don't appreciate anybody making any sexist remarks, but I'm not aware of this particular remark. I haven't seen it yet.
The industry has been coming together in support of Lipstick Under My Burqa. What would you like to say for that?
I'm very grateful to everybody that is supporting Lipstick Under My Burqa. It remains to be seen now because the film is going to go to the tribunal, and let's hope that they, give us a certificate and we can move on.
But Kongna, जब film इतनी मेहनत से हम बनाते हैं और
I think you should now.
Yeah, I think it's
Otherwise,
come.
If you don't mind. Thank you so much.
She has come to the lot.
सोनम जी, रॉ मैंगो स्टोर के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, आपका कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टोर है और संजय जी जो है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत कपड़े बनाते हैं, सिल्क, मल, बहुत ही इंडियन फैब्रिक्स यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत ही इंडियन एस्थेटिक है बट मॉडर्न भी है। और जैसे उन्होंने ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टोर उन्होंने यहाँ खोला है और मैं ऐसी क्वालिटी देख के, स्पेशली दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स इंडिया सो वेल, मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ।
One at a time, guys. Okay.
Is what according to me is luxury. I think quality is luxury. You could be wearing a white T-shirt and how it's made and the kind of fabric it's used. That is luxury. The quality of a product and how it feels is luxury.
So when it comes to fashion, people always look forward to what you're wearing and they always love your fashion style. Do you always feel the pressure of looking good all the time? Considering paparazzi follows you so much.
She enjoy pressure.
I don't know about pressure, but I enjoy dressing up. I enjoy it. I enjoy experimenting.
Do you like what you're wearing? Could you just tell us what you're wearing? Because
I think Sanjay, since he's designed it.
Well, first of all, this blouse has no sizing. Anyone can show?
Yeah, of course,
so this one, anyone can wear it. Just look at this. Okay. Yeah. So there's no sizing to small, medium, large. And also you take a pallu in. You don't have to pin it up, and you can tie it like that also. It's a very functional product. Designed which you can with a jeans or a coat or anything. Like now pallu is in.
Why? I like the
what's your favorite
No, I'm just saying that you can do many different
fabric?
What's my
Favorite
Indian fabric?
Chanderi.
Chanderi?
Yeah.
So how do you expect the raw mango aesthetic?
I think it's the raw mango aesthetic, according to me, is a modern Indian aesthetic.
So you've been always been vocal about your opinions and everything. I'm sure you would have about the tweet that has been made.
No, we're not answering that.
On Women's Day, which was written this one.
Who?
On Women's Day.
Who has written what?
Ram Gopal Verma.
Oh my God, yaar! I can't comment on Ram Gopal Verma. We have better things to talk about.
But सोनम जी, जब आप इस तरह की चीजें सुनती हैं, पढ़ती हैं,
Modern Western wear, how would you say? Like if you have to dress a sari in a modern twist, how would you
How would you wear it like this? Isn't this modern?
सोनम, सुबह से ही खबरें आ रही थी आपकी एंगेजमेंट को लेकर।
पागल हो गया क्या?
न्यूज़पेपर में भी आर्टिकल भी है, तो
रबिश है, मैं नहीं बात। I'm not dignifying that with an answer.
अच्छा सोनम जी, जब इस तरह के ट्वीट की
I'm going to go if you ask me a question. हाँ जी, तो क्या?
इस तरह के ट्वीट की खबरें आप
I'm not dignifying that with an answer.
क्या थॉट, क्या टेक होता है
when you start taking photos of the wedding, when you start
When it starts, it'll be on social media.
Thank you, Sonam.
है।